Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the new Walgreens credit card. So Walgreens has a new credit card out, you guys, and they have this credit card through Synchrony Bank. So I have a lot of notes here, you guys. So if you guys are inside my exclusive membership, I'm going to make sure I add all of these notes into the exclusive membership so you guys can know about this card. Now with the exclusive membership, if you guys don't know about the exclusive membership is basically a membership where I help you guys if you need help with getting all of the letters to remove negative accounts from your credit reports. You guys can get the letters. You can also get free credit repair there. It's just a place where you'll have all the letters. You can get credit repair, and then also you'll learn about so many different credit cards, and everything will be in like one centralized location for you. And a lot of people are getting a lot of great results. So that's what the exclusive membership is. I'm going to make sure I add all of these notes in here. But if you guys see me looking down, I'm just basically going off of the notes to make sure I don't miss anything. So yes, Walgreens, they have a new credit card right now, you guys. So with the credit card, they have two of them. They have there's the regular store credit card, and then they also have a Mastercard credit card. So when you apply for the My Walgreens credit card, they're going to decide whether you're going to get, the Mastercard, or if you guys are going to get the regular store card. Now, when you guys apply, don't forget they use Synchrony Bank, right? So it's through Synchrony Bank, and they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report. So it's best if you guys have at least a 600 credit score. If your credit score is lower than that, don't be too scared to still try to apply, because they have a pre-qualification right here. So you guys can actually pre-qualify for this credit card. So again, you have two different credit cards. You have the Mastercard and the store card. It's really best to get the Mastercard. I hope you guys all get the Mastercard if you apply for this. And that's only because you can use your Mastercard anywhere. Now, when you first sign up for this credit card and you get approved, you can use your card right away. So all you have to do is just have the Walgreens app. So just make sure you guys download the Walgreens app, and you can use your credit card right away. And when you use your credit card, you're going to earn a $25 cash rewards. And all you have to do is just make sure you purchase one time within the first 45 days. And I think they're just doing this to make sure that you're actually using this credit card. But it's best that you make at least one purchase anyway. Just purchase anything, right? Purchase anything from them. Now, I love Walgreens. That's where I get me and my children, all our vitamins. I do Instacart sometimes where they actually deliver things to me. So definitely, you guys, I really suggest you, if you use Walgreens a lot, definitely get this credit card. Now, the reason why I say definitely get the credit card, because they have 10% cash back on Walgreens branded purchases. So say if you buy something and it's a Walgreens brand, you're going to get 10% cash back on that. Now, listen, with the 10% back, just think of that as a 10% discount. And if you're an employee of Walgreens, y'all know y'all get some great discounts. You can get this discount, this cash back, in addition to your discounts that you're already getting too. So I really think that if you buy a lot of things from Walgreens, try to see if you can find like Walgreens branded items, because you get more of a discount. Now, you can also get 5% on all of the Walgreens brands in their pharmacy purchases. So people that if you guys get your medicine from Walgreens, definitely get this credit card too, and use this credit card to purchase your medicine. If you don't want to pay interest, just make sure that you pay your credit card back as soon as possible. Just make sure that you're swiping that credit card. So like right now, I'm making sure that I'm not using any of my credit cards. It's different things that I'm working towards right now using my credit with. So I'm not using my credit cards. But if I was to use my credit cards, because I want to have like I'm using them, but I'm not holding a balance at all on them. I want to make sure that I'm just getting the cash back rewards. So if you guys have to get medicine, use your Walgreens credit card. If you guys are going to Walgreens, you're going to get their branded products, just use your credit card and just pay it back right away just to get those rewards. And you don't have to worry about paying any interest on the credit cards. So don't forget too, with the Walgreens credit card, you guys already get different perks. So I love you having their different perks, especially when you buy something and then like, hey, when you come back here next time you come back, you can get an additional discount. I just love Walgreens for that. And they also have something too where they said you can earn bonus rewards when you reach your health goals. I haven't done that, you guys, but definitely look into that, especially if you have different health goals. And if you're working out, try to even see what that's about at all. So just altogether, what's that about? Now, say if you get approved for their Mastercard, right? If you get approved for their Mastercard, if you plan on using your card outside of Walgreens, you have to have a Mastercard. That means that you can use it anywhere Mastercard is accepted. And you guys will get 3% back on grocery and health and wellness purchases. So that is really good, you guys. So 3% cash rewards on that. And then you guys will also get 1% on everything else. So regardless of what you spend your money on, if you have that MasterCard, you're going to at least know you're going to get that 1% cash back, which is really good. And if you want to apply for this credit card, you can see like the different benefits they have here. So they have no annual fee, $0 fraud liability. So if something was to happen where maybe someone took some money out of your account, somebody used your credit card without your permission, you don't have to worry about having to basically foot the bill on it. You don't have to pay that and be like, oh man, somebody just messed over my credit card. No, they'll take care of that for you. And then they also have the free credit monitoring. Now, I don't know exactly, what that entails, but if you guys get this credit card, just know that they will have that. I always tell people, have the basics. You guys can get Identity IQ, and I have the link down below. You can get Identity IQ for just $1 to start. And when you get Identity IQ, you can look at all three of your credit reports to see what's there. But in addition to having Identity IQ and having all your 3 credit reports and seeing your 3 credit scores, I still tell people, use things like Credit Karma. It's free. People that got Capital One, or even if you don't have Capital One, you got the Credit Wise. Use these free monitoring if you like addicted to credit like me, just to see what's going on with your credit constantly, right? But yeah, you can see the different comparisons. And I think the biggest comparison of them all is just that if you have that MasterCard, and if you were to use your MasterCard anywhere, you guys are going to get that 1% cash back rewards regardless on whatever you purchase. So you're going to get 1% rewards on that. Now, don't forget, you can apply right now. You can apply right away. They'll let you know in 80 seconds or less whether you're approved. And don't forget, you can use your credit card. You can use your credit card right away. And then also, you can just see if you pre-qualify, and there's not going to be like a hard inquiry for you guys. But understand, they are going to pull your TransUnion credit report, and usually with Synchrony Bank, not just this credit card in particular, but Synchrony Bank in general, you want to make sure you have at least a 600 credit score. Let me see if I missed anything. Don't forget, Walgreens, they have over 9,000 locations, so that's really good. Now, Synchrony Bank, again, they're going to decide whether you're going to get that MasterCard or if you're going to get that store card. I really hope everybody get that MasterCard. I just love to have like a MasterCard instead of a store card, but if your credit is not the best, they may just give you a store card, but at least you got that credit card, and it's still going to be building your credit because they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is really good. And now we got to talk about interest rates when it come down to the Walgreens credit cards, and it's actually here at the bottom. Let me see if I can pull it up for you right here. Oh, here it is right here. So for Walgreens, their regular store card, they have high interest, you guys. So I told you guys, I really don't want you guys to hold a balance. Use this for the rewards. Like really use this for the extra rewards on top of what you're already getting. So the regular store card, you 26.99%. That's a lot. And if you guys have the MasterCard, they're going to give you 17.99%, 23.99%, or 26.99%. But again, this is going to be based off of your credit. And there's no annual fee on this credit card, so you can have this credit card. Just make sure you buy something like every 6 months to make sure that they don't close it. But you can be able to keep this credit card and have them reporting to the credit bureau so that you can boost your credit score. Now, they have some frequently asked questions here, so I kind of want to go over a few of them that I think will be, something I didn't go over. So we talked about how you can apply for your credit card. Where can you use your card? Don't forget, you can use your store credit card. They say you can actually use it online, but if it's a MasterCard, you can use it anywhere. And what is the minimum age? 18 usually is a minimum age to apply for a credit card. And you must have a physical address in the United States or the U.S. territories too. And then we talked about whether you can choose to get the regular credit or the Walgreens credit card, or if you can get the Walgreens MasterCard. So if you're approved, they're going to assign you the Walgreens credit card or the Walgreens MasterCard based on your credit requirements set by Synchrony Bank. So understand that Synchrony Bank is going to decide that for you guys. How do I know if I'm approved for this credit card? So if you apply for this online or in the store, you're going to know right away whether you're approved or not. And if they don't give you an instant approval, they say get them up to 30 days, and they're going to let you know what's the problem regarding your application. When would you receive your My Walgreens credit card? So customers who are approved, you guys will get your credit cards within 7 to 10 business days of the date that you're actually approved. So wait about, well, they didn't say business days. So wait 7 to 10 days. I always say business days because I don't want to just get your hopes up, right? Sometimes it may take longer depending on where you're at. So about 7 to 10 days, they're saying, can you add an authorized user to your credit card? That's a good question. So sometimes if you don't know what an authorized user is when you can add someone to your credit card and they have the authority to actually use your credit card. Now, they're not responsible for the debt. So say if you have $1,000 credit card with Walgreens and somebody spend that $1,000, you have them as an authorized user, you're the primary card holder and you're the one that's going to be responsible for that, not your authorized user. But that authorized user will have this account added to their credit reports, which will actually boost their credit score. So that's really good if you have a partner and you try to help them boost their credit score. And I don't even want to say partner, but somebody like maybe husband and wife kind of thing, you just don't want to add anybody to your credit card, but you can definitely add them on. And if you guys have any rewards, if you guys get any rewards at all, it's going to be accumulated together in a shared account, and it can only be redeemed by the account owner. So your authorized user can use a credit card. Maybe you want to add on a parent. They can use that credit card because they're authorized to use it, especially if you're getting medication and you're the one that's paying for it. But understand that all the rewards are going to you. Somebody said, I guess one of the biggest questions is, why can't I apply for the My Walgreens credit card? So to apply for this credit card, you have to make sure that you're a member of the My Walgreens. So you have to make sure that you're a member. So if you guys don't know what that is, when you go to the stores, you buy something, you have to put your phone number in. That's you being a member. If you're not a member, it's free, easy, sign up right away. But they say only one customer per My Walgreens member can apply for the My Walgreens credit card. And last question that they have here, how long would it take for everybody to get that $25 after you purchase something? Within 45 days of opening your account. Don't forget, you're supposed to get a $25 Walgreens cash rewards, right? So it's going to take up to $10 for the rewards to post to your account. So that's everything that I want to talk to you guys about with the Walgreens credit card. Don't forget, if you guys are part of my exclusive membership, I am making sure that I'm adding this to the online account, you guys, onto the class so that you guys can see this credit card. But understand too, I think this is a great entry credit card. And for those people like me, like I said, I buy my vitamins from them. I buy a lot of things from Always Instacart. I just literally needed some more stamps. So I literally bought 20 books of stamps from them. Like, that would be a great way to get rewards. 20 books of stamps, like $200 and something. So I just needed like some emergency stamps right away. I did an Instacart. They had it to me. That would have been a great way for me to actually get some points and get some rewards. But if you guys spend money with Walgreens, definitely make sure that you sign up for this account. And if you guys ever have any questions, don't forget, you can call or text my team, 833-Rickita. I have a team, you guys. They can answer the phone for you. They'll answer any calls that you have, and they'll text you back if you have any questions. But definitely look into joining an exclusive membership. It's only $1 to start. So you can literally get your credit reports for $1. You can sign up for the exclusive membership, and you guys can get the free credit repair. Because don't forget, with the exclusive membership, you have the class in general, right? And you guys will have access to the letters. But on top of having access to the letters, you guys will also get free credit repair, you guys. So you guys will have free credit repair. And with this free credit repair, you guys, we're going to work on removing those negative accounts from your credit reports to help make sure that we boost your credit score. But definitely make sure you guys sign up. I'm going to make sure I have all those details down below. And if you have any questions, like I said, call or text me. I'm definitely here for you guys. Bye-bye.